In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open email links with Gmail on Chrome by default. Maybe you've experienced this before. You click an email link or a Mailto link, and instead of your preferred Gmail app popping up, something entirely different does. This can be a bit inconvenient, especially for those of us who rely heavily on Gmail for all our email correspondence. Fortunately, there's a simple way to ensure that whenever you click on an email link, your Gmail account opens automatically in Chrome. Let's walk through these steps together to set it up. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure that it's up to date for the best performance and access to all the latest features. Once Chrome is open, head to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. This is a key step because we need to be at the Gmail home page to adjust the settings properly. Once you're on the Gmail page and are logged into your account, you'll notice a small icon in the address bar shaped like two overlapping diamonds. Some refer to this as the double diamond or handler icon. Click on this handler icon, and it will bring up a pop-up message. Here's where the magic happens. In this pop-up, you'll see an option that says Allow mail.google.com to open all email links. This is exactly what we want. Click on the button that says Allow. Then, confirm your choice by selecting Done. This action designates Gmail in Chrome as the default mail client to open all email links. As a quick tip, if you don't see the handler icon, don't worry. You'll just need to adjust your Chrome settings slightly. Click on the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Next, choose Site Settings, where you'll find the option for Additional Permissions. Click on that, then find and select Handlers. In the Handlers section, make sure that the option Sites can ask to handle protocols is enabled. This will ensure that the handler icon appears for sites that want to manage certain types of links or actions, like Gmail for mail links. After enabling this, go back to the Gmail home page and look for the handler icon again. It should be there now. And there you have it. Gmail is now set to open automatically in Chrome every time you click on an email link. This small adjustment can save you time and make your browsing experience a whole lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.